Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming authorization. You must own the router or have explicit written consent. Once confirmed, update your test device and install only reputable tools from official stores. Make a backup of the router configuration, note SSID and admin credentials, and ensure firmware is current so tests reflect real conditions. This prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure to record time, location, and device identifiers before proceeding, because good documentation is part of responsible testing. Once ready, perform a non-invasive assessment. Scan to determine whether WPS is enabled and which methods the router accepts. Use passive information gathering first, then run limited active probes only within your authorization to confirm WPS behavior. Explain why limited probing matters. Excessive attempts can trigger lockouts or alerts. Keep detailed logs of every probe and interval. If the device appears vulnerable, stop and prepare a remediation plan rather than exploiting the weakness. Finally, focus on remediation and clean closure. If WPS is insecure, disable it or install vendor firmware updates and enforce strong WPA2/WPA3 passwords. Explain why this prevents future abuse. If you lost access during testing, recover by logging into the router admin or performing a factory reset only when authorized, and then reapply secure settings. Document findings clearly, hand over logs, and offer one troubleshooting tip. If the router won't accept settings, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.